Hi guys, well, welcome to 3D Printed Angler. I'm Alex. This is not a planned video. Well, I was trying to make new video and upload to YouTube, but somehow my living place got flooded uh, due to the heavy storm. So I spent whole night, around 12 hours last night, to fight against the flood. And right now I'm so exhausted, and I still have a lot of mess to clean, so I'm probably not gonna update new video very soon. uh, my stuff got damaged by water. My mattress got wet, and those water not clean water, those water from sewer and from the street, those are smelly dirty water. So I gonna throw that mattress away and go get a bed frame. Probably I'm waiting for IKEA to open. They open at 10 a.m. and right now is around 7:30. I'm so exhausted. I cannot do the clean work anymore. But I probably not gonna sleep because I just had a cold shower because there's no hot water because we got flooded, so we shut down everything. Well, that's it. Just letting you guys know that I have some issue right now, so I will delay my new video. Hope you guys can understand. Thank you. Bye. Hope to see you guys soon in my future video. Thank you. Bye.